Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to access any home learning materials that are uploaded onto the school website. So we open up a web browser. You can use Google, Eastfield Primary School, and it's this one here at the top. So once the page loads, what you can do is go up to the top, go to the classes section on the classes tab, and choose your class's year group. I teach year 5 and 6, so I'm going to click year 5 to show you that. So if you scroll down, we've got a bit about year 5, a little bit of information about what we've been learning in school, some useful links such as My Maths, Letter Join and Show My Homework. If you go down a little bit further, you will find this fortnight's home learning timetable, and if you click the link it will download the file. Okay, so then you can open up the downloaded file. This is the home learning grid, and you can access that to see what your child has been set to do for that week. So this is the home learning grid. It's separated into days, and on each days we've got an English, a maths and a topic task. Okay, maths is generally My Maths, although some of it isn't. You'll see some of it is uploaded to Show My Homework, but most of it is My Maths. English is related to also on Show My Homework, and you'll find on there the daily tasks and the daily information. You'll also be able to find those tasks on the school website, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then finally the topic work there, and we can find that on showmyhomework.com as well. So if I close this down, if I close this application that's opened up down, I'm going to get rid of that, cancel. Okay, so now I'm back to the home page again. This fortnight's home learning plan, fortnight beginning the 9th of November. So this is the English plan. Okay, so you've got the overall plan here, and then we've got the English plan here. So if I click on this link, it'll download again. Okay, as a PDF. Click on this one, and you will have activities for 2 weeks with each day clearly marked on. So Monday the 9th of November, there's a grammar, punctuation and spelling starter task, and then a main task. All right, and it gives all the resources for each day. So it can help to print it off. You may prefer just to have it on a tablet or something like that so that you can see it. Okay, but that goes through the whole fortnight of English tasks. Okay, closing that, I'll show you the next thing. So the next thing on the website, we've got the previous week's home learning grids and English tasks. So on my year 5 page, I post all of the home learning grids and all of the English tasks from previous weeks. So the things that you won't find on the school website are the maths tasks. You will find those on mymaths.co.uk. The handwriting, you'll find that on letterjoin.co.uk, and click this link to log in. And finally, any topic tasks is on showmyhomework.com. So I've done separate videos to show you how to use each of those. So hopefully that explains the website for you. Thanks very much. Bye.